Okay, let's talk about brain hacking. Are we actually going about it all wrong?
You hear it everywhere, right? Chips in our brains. But is that really the smartest move?
Get this, $12 billion. That's the projected market for BCIs by 2035. The hype is real.
And the promise? It's huge, helping people with paralysis, even unlocking superhuman smarts.
But there's a pretty big problem the hype doesn't talk about. It's all about our biology. See, our brain is basically a soft living gel. The implants, they're rigid metal and silicone.
Yeah, someone called it putting razor blades in gel. And the body's reaction? Totally predictable.
Your brain goes into defense mode. It builds scar tissue that basically walls off the implant.
So this makes you wonder, if the brain isn't a computer, then what is it?
Here's the thing. Intelligence isn't just in your head. The brain is more of a coordinator.
It's all part of what's called a tri-electrical axis. Think brain, heart, and gut. And what's wild is how differently they all work. Each one is a unique piece of the puzzle.
So if you only focus on the brain, you're missing, like, 2/3 of the story.
Which leads us to a much smarter idea, peripheral augmentation, working with our body. This is all about non-invasive tech that taps into the body's own communication lines.
So instead of hijacking the brain, we can just give it what it needs to thrive.
Take light therapy, for instance. It can actually boost the brain's own energy supply.
And this is a big deal. We're talking about a choice between two different futures for us.
With invasive chips, you get risks like neurosteering, basically forcing our brains onto one standard. And that's a terrible idea. It could wipe out the very diversity that makes us so smart.
It really comes down to this. The best upgrades support our biology, they don't hijack it.
Which leaves us with one last thought. What if we stop trying to hack our brains and just unleash them?